magtindog, mag-amputan. Kanimo, O Dios, kami nagapasalamat o nagadayeg nini mga taknaan diin among tagaagda kong pagtagad ang nakapud sa mga estudyante diri sa FCS. Among i-recognize, O Dios, ang ilang kahago, ang ilang pag-eskwela, Ginoo, nga maayo. Labaw sa tanan, O Dios, ang mga ginikanan nga nagsuportar ngadto kanila. Nining takna, O Dios, mapakita sa mga estudyante ang nagkadaiyang talento, dili lamang sa ilang kaalam, kundi pinaagi sa kung kinsa sila diha sa ilang tagsa-tagsa ka kinabuhi o diha sa ilang tagsa-tag sa kabehavior isip ko sa ka-estudyante. O Dios, among ipadangat ang among pagpasalamat diha sa imong paghatag sa kaalam, paghatag sa puso, paghatag, O Dios, sa mga panalangin nga ilang gikinahanglan sa matag adlaw. Among giila, Ginoo, ang imong paggiya sa matag estudyante ug among giila ang imong pagsangkap sa mga ginikanan. Kini among ipasalamatan ug giampo sa ngalan ni Kristo Jesus nga among bugtong maluluwas. Amen.
You may now be seated. We all know that the secrets behind this significant event are not only the teachers who have rendered their invaluable service by guiding those pupils to the right path, but also to the parents who give them the support financially, love, and encouragement in every activity in our school. So parents, please give yourselves a round of applause. At this point, may I call on here on stage our school head, Mrs. Lebiji Vitarmos, for her welcome talk. A round of applause, please.
In behalf of the UCCPS Survey Christian Schools Board of Trustees, Mr. Tony Yepes, to our Chairman of Council, Mr. Darwin Vidal, to our assigned pastor, Pastor Keno Roca, to our PTA President, Mr. Leo Capistrano, to all parents, students, visitors, a pleasant morning to everyone. We gather here today to celebrate the Teachers' Day and also our first quarter recognition. So, makita nato diri ang atong mga bata sa ilang paningkamot. O kapil pos paningkamot sa mga nanay, kaya mo ni tigdugdug, bitaw. Kung wa ang mga nanay nag-assess, wa po ning mga bata ron. So, ato lang is kung unsay nakuha sa itong mga anak karon, just appreciate and try their best next quarter. Kung wa man ma-achieve ang atong i-aim, so maybe next quarter. So ato pang dili ta mo ingon nga aga may grado mo, dili na mo tuon. So maningkamot gihapon kay first quarter pa man. So congratulations daan sa honors and achievers.
07.
Tanan banda diri na award. Why certificate? So as your school head in this institution, I welcome you all in this activity. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. At this juncture, we are to give the rightful recognition to those deserving pupils of Western Faith Christian School for the first quarter of the school year 2024-2025. So may I request the advisor of each grade level to please proceed here on stage. So let's start with the nursery 1, followed by nursery 2, and then the kindergarten.
07, 28. 07, 28.
These are the list of academic awardee for N1, N2, and kindergarten. For N1, may I call on Octavia Clementine B. Gantala with highest honor. Sus Frances C. Blisilda with the highest honors.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. And now, let's proceed to the grade 1.
These are the academic achiever of the grade 1 Genesis.
Congrats,
The
Mark!
names are called in alphabetical order. Jedrick Anthony F. Arnaez with high honors. Josh Martin P. Gilies with high honors. Maria Alea Lay M. Locino with high honors. Celestine K. Aldora with high honors.
Madam,
Ryan D. Balagon with honors.
adi ko B.
Kyle Hendrick V.
Ano ka to?
Bohol with honors. F. Cypher and Eden with honors. Zane Jethro
Ang
V.
tanan
Duron with
ang tanan ba picture ang tanan after mo individual mo receive.
Zane Jethro V. Duron with honors. Sabaya Nasheka Amor U. Cabalho with honors. Natalie Hope Gabrielio with honors. Chris Conrad Honio with honors. Glenn Franspel P. Luzon with honors.
Congratulations, congrats.
Isaiah P. Olaybar with honors. Ariana Grace M. Olvina with honors.
Uy, anak yun ang ma'am di ay? Ma'am Lacerna?
Rian Jolia and Bactasa Achiever.
Kung achiever ma'am, pila grade anang achiever ah?
89. 90 to 95.
With honors.
Dwayne Oliver Don B. Duron Achiever.
Achiever mas grade.
Isaiah Jasper E.
Kamahurag
Sena
math, lagi.
Achiever. Congratulations, grade 1 learners.
90 to 95. With all 90 to 95.
Jinzan C. Isma with honors.
Ren, smile.
Roshni Ring C. Loren with honors. Zoe Ivory Oleta with honors. Anika Paula O. Paz with honors. Maria Alia B. Ibarzabal with honors. Kaylee Marco S. Yates with honors. Yang Cheng Sin La Casa, Achiever. John Curdy S. Shona, Achiever.
Congratulations, grade 2 learners. And now let's proceed for the grade 3.
Na, nandoy rin ka Ma'am Kim ron kay
What?
Patkabuhok.
These are the academic achiever of grade 3 Corinthians in alphabetical order. Deandre C. Digal with honors. Arjan P. Miloren with honors. Tram Lewis C. Shona with honors.
Asa po kutuan ng imo Ma'am B kay ko pa man nakabuhok man.
Sebastian C. Fuentes,
Mas pa sa apat rin
achiever.
ka po.
O man na.
Congratulations and keep it up, grade 3 learners.
Okay, next, grade 4.
These are the academic achievers of grade 4 class in academic with high honors in Calisalda. With high honors, Savannah Christine O'Lara.
Kanina. Nalate ka no?
With honors,
Ingkong online. Online. May views ako sa pamuan.
Kirk C. Carolino with honors. B. Castellin Magaliano with honors. Ali Nathaniel A. Midochi with honors. Meet Mark Logan A. Fortis with high honors. Sid Lagan B. Ligos with honors. Kaisa Camel D. Losino with honors. Maria Francine Janes B. Pacosa with honors. Zaira Zancon F. Sicador with honors.
Kasi ngayon naman ko Edward.
These are the academic achievers of grade 4 Galatians. Congratulations, kids.
Okay, next, grade 5. Congratulations, grade 4 learners.
Good morning. These are the academic achievers of grade 5 Hebrews in alphabetical order. Luis Brianna in Portuguese with highest honors. Ian
Kita lang doon, Ma.
B. Goda with high honors.
Oo. Asa ba yung parent mo?
Vince Rido Suarez with high honors. Claire Aliana C. Tailnar with high honors. Naomi J. Lord with high honors.
Araw yung naghanan ni sila, ma'am. Grade
Charles
6.
Max Laurie T. Gopor with honors.
Okay, congratulations, grade 5 learners.
Uy, ingani. Nakinom na po ko ingani nga katong dakoy award mo. Ko yung sa kanaho.
Grade 6 learners.
Butara, butara dili.
Ikaw na.
Lami mo picture ako.
In alphabetical order.
Password.
Alana
Ayun na yun.
Muriel A. Abad with high honors.
Sa kabuko.
Ako ra, diri.
Over Franklin and Veronio
Ibutang na
with
lagi na.
high
Oy,
honors.
hala, nagkuha na ka. Insya na namang ma'am kayo na para may password yung nagsaka na.
CJ L. Kaday with high honors.
Ikaw na ibiyuhan.
Mary Andrea L. Villafuerte with high honors.
Nag-picture ko. Si Sarah. Hala.
Sophia Divine Amora with honors. Lovely Chaniel C. Jacqueline with honors. Sean Louis T. Dizon with honors. Gil Harvey D. Elbao with honors. Fritz Jamia Gabriel B. Cuete with honors. Rosella C. Ured with honors. Cassie A. Madria with honors. Jacob Pedrera with honors. Shoadrine and Resos with honors. John Zacharias S. Salapi with honors. Janice Marie S. Shona with honors. Amihan Diana D. Tibos with honors. awardees by Teacher Lebe. Alana Muriel A. Abad, perfect in attendance. Mary Andrea L. Villafrete, perfect in attendance. Sean Luis T. Dizon, perfect in attendance. Hill Harvey D. Obao, perfect in attendance. John Zacharias S. Salapit, perfect in attendance. Timothy Caleb I. Yap, perfect in attendance. And Mark Nathan Lohan Aguilar, perfect in attendance. Congratulations, awardees of grade 6 learners. And then, reminder all parents na please, pwede na mo ato sa kada room for your concerns. So congratulations all learners and thank you parents. Again, calling all the teachers nga narisata sa front kay narisata tanan teachers sa stage. What? Okay, later na lang ko na wala na yung mga parents sa kada room. Thank you.
Congrats, CJ! Zach! Congrats! Best in Best in Teaching Awardee.
Hindi na ganun mga mga tinder pa eh. Kargado magod po dito sa suwat ng language. Kargado nagsulat.
Congrats!
Congrats kay Timothy.
Congrats lang. Ngayon na mo lang? Ngayon na mo. Wow! Lali ka mo ingani, mom.
Oh, di hapang ka niya.
Ang service. Against the light, mom.
Ito na naman ako ikabuan ila ka. Oh, sige. Ito na namin.
Ano yun si mo?
Salamat,
Yung ganun, yung ganun. Nice na ganun si John, mom. Perfect. Uy, na may keychain, oh. Uy, na may food supply for 1 year.
Yeah.
Ay. Shredding!
Mamuy, daghan na gani ni. Oo. Salamat na gid.
Parehas ni ma'am, be. Ma'am, usay magkasulti ni mo, ma'am, sa atong Teacher's Day celebration.
Okay na, teacher? This is my first story. Teacher that one. Give na the teacher. Thank you, ate. Thank you, baby.
Hi, Ma'am Alms. What can you say about this Teacher's Day celebration?
We are grateful that we receive a lot of gifts from our
Okay,
students.
here's the gifts.
Here's the gift. And we have a snack like this because today is Heaven Margaret's birthday.
Wow.
Yeah,
Happy
we're so
birthday.
thankful because we have a snack.
Pwede na vlog ha, sir.
Ayo, bigo ko.
Pwede na mag-vlog ha, no?
We receive a lot of gifts because Teacher Jessa is not here, so ang para sa ida. Kaya kung pa siguro wala kanina na-receive. I think.
Kay, nabahin ba dyan?
Nabahin.
Pwede, Ma'am.
That one is a C2.
Iyo, pen.
Let's open this one. You want help? Welcome to our vlog.
Magkulat na naman ta, Ma'am.
This one is a C2 and this one is snack from Heaven Margaret. And also this one, a Big Mac. And this one is
Uy, murag,
8
kuwang ni, Ma'am.
hamburger. Why?
Ma'am Juyan.
Yeah. This is 8 because we are 4, so that we have 2 every person.
Oh.
English ito. Oh, that one.
Vlogger, man. Basta vlogger.
Thank you so much, learners, for your gifts and snacks. Napaka pinaka-flower, Ma'am. Mag-unbox na taon dya. Charot, na kay chocolates. I like this so much. Thank you so much again. Thank you are making difference every day. Uy, nakay kuan, ma'am, electric fan, ma'am. Unsa na ta, ma'am? Doon na tangad to. Doon na ta, ma'am.
Aking bana, morito.
Kabulong si ma'am. Kabulong si ma'am. Be, bag reveal. Uy la. Ma'am, nakay kuan, ma'am. Nagdala kag lechon manok.
May lechon manok di raw.
Palasa ni. Wala mo na kay. Imo nga ni ma'am.
Artista tayo eh.
Sa una, karon ni artista kontrabida na.
Yayang ina.
Hala, gikuha jud pud sa akong Facebook, ma'am. Thank you.
Tama man yung face.
Maybe this time.
Thank you so much.